I'm also interested that you said you think that they don't have to stick to the script, because what I'm going to be paying attention to, I sat through the 2023 trial for Charlie Adelson, and we, of course, all watched together the Catherine McBanawa and Sigfredo Garcia trials. They did stick to a similar script. They added on, of course, once Charlie was in the mix and actually there at the defense table. But the general plan and idea, it has been consistent throughout these trials. And I'm going to be paying attention to how the prosecution, Georgia Kappelman, we anticipate will be doing that opening, how she's going to show these jurors that Donna Adelson was not just someone who helped after the fact, like an accessory to this case, was not just someone who perhaps knew what her son was doing. But do you believe that they have to prove, in order to get to conspiracy to commit murder, that she had an active role in the planning, and that they have to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt?
Well, they don't have to prove that she was the matriarch and she was the one that came up with everything. They do not have to prove that for conspiracy. It really is that they had this agreement, she had knowledge of it, and she participated in it. So as much as there has been testimony that in the previous trial that she was the mastermind and it was her idea, they don't have to show that for conspiracy. I think that they're going to go with the theme that that's what she was. She was the mastermind. It was her idea, and she was orchestrating the whole entire thing. And but for her, this would not have happened in this particular trial. But that is not the extent that they have to prove it to.